Lebanon, Missouri, Route 66. We have some old empty buildings. I think they're still open. Well, see, it says we are open. And then here's an old motel that's closed down. But, and for the gem of the video, here in Lebanon, Missouri, we have the Munger Moss Motel. Open, celebrating, says 5 years. I think there's a number missing. I don't know how many years it would be. On Route 66. How cool is that? I'm going to say it's at least 55 years or maybe 45 years. I don't know, that's a complete guess. But there we are. June 25th, 2022 on Route 66. There's the old highway.